Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today we have one very interesting and challenging equation from algebra which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So x cannot be 0, cannot be 2, cannot be 12, cannot be 14, cannot be 4, cannot be 6, 8 and cannot be 10. Now we will use substitution. Let us say x minus 7, suppose equal to t. So our equation will convert into variable t. We will write 1 over x, which is t plus 7. So 1 over t plus 7. Then we have 1 over x minus 2 will be 1 over t plus 5 plus 1 over x minus 12, 1 over t minus 5. And 1 over x minus 14 will become 1 over t minus 7. Now we have right hand side 1 over x minus 4, which will be equal to 1 over t plus 3, 1 over x minus 6, 1 over t plus 1, 1 over x minus 8, 1 over t minus 1, and 1 over x minus 10 will become 1 over t minus 3. Now we will club these two terms all together, these two all together, these two all together, and these two all together, so that we can apply difference of two squares identity in the denominators. So I will write 1 over t plus 7 plus 1 over t minus 7 plus 1 over t plus 5 plus 1 over t minus 5 equal to 1 over t plus 3 plus 1 over t minus 3 plus 1 over t plus 1 plus 1 over t minus 1. Now we will take LCM over here in left hand side and in right hand side. So we will get t minus 7 plus t plus 7, 2t over t plus 7 times t minus 7, t square minus 49 plus 2t over t square minus 25 equal to 2t over t square minus 9 plus 2t over t square minus 1. Now we will take all the terms to LHS and 2t is common. So we will write 2t. In the bracket there would be 1 over t square minus 49. Then we'll write minus of 1 over t square minus 1. Then we have plus 1 over t square minus 25 minus 1 over t square minus 9 equal to 0. We'll use product 0 rule. So either t equal to 0 or 1 over t square minus 49 minus 1 over t square minus 1 plus 1 over t square minus 25 minus 1 over t square minus 9 equal to 0. Now t is 0. T was our substitution. X minus 7 equal to 0. So x will become 7. So our first real solution is x equal to 7, which is not there in the restricted list. Now we can assume t square equal to u. So we will write equation 1 over u minus 49 minus 1 over u minus 1 plus 1 over u minus 25 minus 1 over u minus 9 equal to 0. Now we will take LCM over here. So we will get product of denominators u minus 1 times u minus 49, and in numerator we will get u minus 1 minus u plus 49. So 49 minus 1 is 48, plus in denominator we will multiply u minus 9 with u minus 25, and in numerator u minus 9 minus u plus 25, which is 16 equal to 0. Now our equation is divisible by 16. So we will divide by 16 and write 3 over u minus 1 times u minus 49 plus 1 over u minus 25 times u minus 9 equal to 0. We'll take LCM once again. So we can write 3 times u minus 9 times u minus 25 plus u minus 1 times u minus 49 equal to 0. Or we can write 3 times u square minus 25 minus 9 minus 34u plus 225 plus u square minus 49 minus 1 minus 50u plus 49 equal to 0. We will simplify this equation and we'll get one quadratic equation u square minus 38u plus 181 equal to 0. I am going to use completing the square method. So I need to take plus 181 to the RHS. So we will write u square minus 38u in left hand side and minus 181 in right hand side. Now we have coefficient of u. It is minus 38. Half of minus 38 is minus 19. A square of minus 19 is 361, which we will add to both sides of the equation to get perfect square in LHS. So I can write u minus 19 whole square, and in right hand side there would be 180, which we can factor easily and write 9 times 20. Now we will take a square root both sides. So u minus 19 will become, we'll write 9 times 4 times 5 with a square root with plus minus sign. Now 9 4s are 36, square root 36 is 6, so we can write plus minus 6 square root 5. Now we will add 19 to both sides. So u will become 19 plus minus 6 root 5. So I will write u equal to 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now u was our substitution. So I can write t square, which is u, equal to 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now we will take square root once again. So we will write t will be equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. T was our substitution, x minus 7. So we can write x minus 7 equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. We'll add 7 to both sides. So x will become 7 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. So here we have 4 solutions, and the first solution was x equal to 7. So I will write here 2, 3, 4, 5, and x1 is 7. So overall 5 real values of x which will satisfy our equation. Let me write all the 5 values over here. Here we have x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, or we can write here x equal to 7. Then we can write 7 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 root 5. Overall 5 solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.